I'll do it.
What is it, Danny?
It's this motor, 25 years ago, got built by Crankshaft and Valve here in Waco. Back when they built them.
Oh, it's a Waco motor.
Yeah, that's a Waco motor.
Okay, that's awesome.
As soon as they built it, he got it back, and he stuck it in the back of his barn. He never cranked it, never turned it over. 25 years later, we put it on the run stand, put ignition in it, a little bit of fuel in it.
What we doing, Curtis? Well, tell me what's the deal on this motor here, man? How long ago? What's the deal?
25 years ago, built this thing. It set up 25 years and was fixing either tonight or tomorrow. We're gonna bust it.
My man said the motor was rebuilt 25 years ago. That's a small block Chevy. Small block Chevy.
We starting up tonight.
You wanna start up tonight?
We're gonna start. Yeah, we got the headers, we got the gas, we got the time.
We got the pairs too.
Put the pair in.
we starting this motherfucker.
What y'all think? Is something it's run or not? We turned it over. It's oiling. My man said 25 years ago he had it built and it's been sitting there.
Yeah.
And then he's got, what is that, a 70-mile Chevy out there?
Yeah.
70 model.
70-mile Chevy, look like farm truck sitting out there in really bad condition. That's what this motor's made for. We're gonna fire this son much up tonight.
Oh yeah, we got everything here. You might as well fire it tonight. Don't be pussy. Don't be pussyfooting around.
We ain't. We'll try it.
That thing's 25 years old too, guys. Is it gonna work? What do you think, honey? Is it gonna run, honey?
I don't know. If I'm putting this shit on, probably not.
So the fuel pump failed. We're moving over to the micro electro pump.
How am I supposed to get this thing on?
All right, guys.
Is this it?
What do you think? What do you think we
I don't know what's in that box.
Yep.
Oh. That motor.
25-year-old small block Chevy.
I already checked the fuel. It's all the way up there. See? I already see fuel right there. Okay. I see it.
These headers are gonna throw some shit out of here.
all righty, man. Let's take us a drink of beer here. Okay. This is supposed to be number one, right? Kiddos? We're gonna start right there.
Oh, there's some fuel.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, that carburetor ought to be all right.
I see the front ones. I don't see the back ones.
Fire extinguisher handy. Hey guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the Ford Drunks and the small block Chevy video. I'm here back at Moonshiner Garage. I just got off the phone with JD Vance. He said that Trump wants to take the Moonshiner from me. Saw the last video when I fired it up. Figured they could make a nice armored car out of it by the weight of it, and it looks like we're losing it. I got Secret Service in the back here. They're looking out for them. We're not going to let them take it that fast. What we're going to need to do is we're going to need to get more members behind us to stop this deal from doing it. So hit the button below, become a member, subscribe to the channel, like the channel, and just help us push this channel. Don't let them take the Moonshiner from us. I'm here to video it, and
Come on, Diddy.
I'm coming.
You gotta get a beer for this shit. Thomas, you get a beer?
yeah.
Hang on.
Got my trash, covered up. They beat rags.
Let me
Okay.
get y'all a beer for this.
It doesn't keep.
I'm excited.
No, I just turned it on.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, okay. You had it on. Okay.
Yeah, I turned it on just because I want to turn it over. Ooh. Yeah, no ignition. Because I don't have the ignition on, I can just turn it over. Y'all ready?
Yeah. Sounds like she got a little compression to her.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate you very much. Here we go.
Oh, my bad, baby.
Yeah, just set it right there, baby.
My bad.
All right.
Here it goes, gentlemen.
I'm going to canker over for a couple of times, and then I'm going to hit the ignition.
Let's do it.
Ready? Oh.
That thing turned over one time, fired up.
Tell me I can't time this motherfucker. Excuse that language.
That was awesome.
I don't know. When I killed it, it kind of said, I don't know. We'll see.
Something's smoking, though.
Well, there's a
The
lot
fingerprints,
of oil.
rat.
There's a lot of oil everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was awesome.
Yeah,
What
we
do you want
did.
to do, Curtis? Steer motor. Let's check that heat.
That's what I'm.
Oh yeah, no, there's no heat in it.
I had no doubt that motor was gonna fire up.
You ready?
Hit it again. We got no gas. Take 3.
25 years, dude.
Hey, it cranked first, right?
It did. It didn't take but a second either.
Okay, Jenny. Wherever you want to go.
And she fired right up.